Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and thank you for checking out this video. And if you're watching this video, that probably means you are trying to find a way to make money online for yourself, I guess, okay? And you might have searched how to make money online in 2022, okay? So right now I will try to keep this video very short because if you see my screen right now, it shows my channel name and you have these videos. Well, I normally make long review videos, okay, on my channel TubeCore, but I will try to keep this video short, maybe under 10 minutes, depends, right? So I'll try to cover all the basics because this is one thing I wanted to talk about, talk to you people, because, every now and then people search these things that how to make money fast, fast, right? They want to make money fast, just in one day, right? Or maybe let's say you want to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel in just one day, right? So you are actually searching for unrealistic things, right? The second example is that you are trying to find a way how to make money online in 2022, okay? Last year you were searching for a way to make money online in 2021. This year you're searching for 2022. Next year you will be searching for how to make money in online in 2023, okay? It's just like, your mind is playing with you. There's no such thing making money in 19, 20, 21, 22. No. Whatever people are doing right now, they will be doing next year too to make money online, okay? Because making money online is so pretty simple, okay? And that's what I will talk about in this video. Make sure you watch the video till the end, okay? It's free to watch the video till the end. You got nothing to lose. You might only invest your 10 minutes in this video. That's fair enough, okay? Because you might have watched some other video, but watch this video for 10 minutes at least so that you can know that basics needs to be strong if you want to make money online, okay? You don't have to go and break any stones in the field if you want to make money online. It's pretty simple. And for example, if I take you to YouTube search, okay, you go on YouTube probably, right, on the home page. And if you are searching for how to make money online 2022, right? And then you press enter. Now what happens here? You see these people are gonna come with a lot of techniques, tricks that okay, this guy is telling you do this, do that. This video is talking about showing some pretty faces and talking nonsense, and this video is mine, by the way. And again, you see these people, okay? Now all these people are telling you one common thing is that you go on certain websites, you go and do some surveys, you earn $5 there, $2 there, $10 there, okay? But these are not the actual ways to bloody make money online, okay? Now, are you getting are you catching the point here? Because all these videos which you see here, right, they are coming on the camera. This person is coming on the camera. They are not coming on the camera, but still using the voice. I am not coming on the camera, still using my voice, okay? So you can see all these people, they're coming on the camera, making a video manually, okay? This guy as well, right? So all these people are talking about that, okay, you don't have to come on the camera, you go on these websites and you will make so much money. You see here, this stupid video, 300 per hour. Do you have have you lost your mind? Would you really make 300 per hour just by doing nothing? You see here, earn $5 every 60 seconds, okay? So these are some topics, right? What you need to do is you need to choose certain topics so that you can create a YouTube video on that, okay? Once you go and find some topics, maybe you find some five apps which will pay you money, or certain websites which will pay you for doing surveys, okay? So you pick up those topics and you then go ahead, create a video in your original voice, okay? Whether you come on the camera or not, it's your choice, okay? But the catch here is that these people are actually utilizing the platform YouTube to come and tell you go somewhere else. Okay, it's like they are coming on YouTube to primarily make their money, but when they have to tell you that how do you make money, so they will send you somewhere else. Does it make sense? If I am recording this YouTube video is making some money because my YouTube channel is monetized, okay? Monetized means I have more than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on my YouTube channel, okay? Once you have that, right? Once your YouTube channel gets monetized, then you will be watching, people will be watching some ads in your YouTube videos, okay? And that is how these people and myself, we all YouTubers, this is how we make money, okay? So if I come here and make a YouTube video and I'll say blah, blah, blah and go somewhere else, but I am actually hiding this fact. I am actually not telling you the truth that the way I am making money is from my YouTube videos. But instead I say, okay, you go on those 5 stupid websites and you register there and you do surveys and this is how you make. No, I actually try to hide this fact because, again, guys, think about it. Put your logic in, put your common sense. Okay, if those 5 websites, or you think you think this 300 per hour is working, then why these people need to make YouTube videos? Have you thought about it? So everybody here who is teaching you how to make money online, the only way they make money online if they keep posting and uploading these videos. So technically, what's making money for them, for me, for everybody else on the internet? It's YouTube, which is making money for them and for me too, okay? But they are diverting your mind and they are taking you somewhere else. They are not telling you that you have to come on YouTube and exactly do what we do, okay? Because when you start producing your videos, your own videos, your channel gets monetized and you make videos, upload videos every day, then people will see your videos and then you will get views and those views will make you some money, okay? So no one talks about the truth. The truth is you have to come and start producing your content, okay? Now YouTube is one method which is very hot these days because it's all about video marketing, okay? So you will have to come on YouTube videos whether you like it or not. If you really have a long-term goal to make money on the internet, you will have to start making YouTube videos and especially get your YouTube channel monetized, and I will help you with that too in a moment, okay? And then before YouTube, we had an option of email marketing. Do you remember 90s? Back in 1995, 6, 7, we had Yahoo Mail. Yahoo was the first search engine before Google, okay? So at that time, if you are from that era, you might have been using Yahoo emails where you receive a lot of emails, okay? So email marketing is where people will send you an email, and if you buy from their link it's called affiliate marketing, okay? So if I send you one email and you open my email and you read it and you click on it and then you go and buy, I'll make some money here in the back end, okay? So you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses of people and then send them 1 or 2 emails per day, and if they will buy something on the other part of the world, wherever they are, okay, if they buy from you, you will make money, okay? Nobody talks about that on the internet. Everybody wants to teach you like go and find 5 apps which will make you money and 10 websites which will do surveys for you and all that nonsense, okay? All these things are only micro topics because these YouTubers, they need to pick up and choose and come up with some new videos, and that is why they will choose any topic. Even I will do the same, okay? If I have to come and make videos on make money online, I will come and find some other stupid websites which will pay you $2, $5, and I'll make a video because my primary goal is to make a video for myself, okay? Because what I am doing is I am using YouTube as a platform as the primary traffic source to make money for myself, okay? So the conclusion of this video is that you need to only focus on 2 methods to make money on the internet. First is YouTube. Whether you want to come on YouTube or not, whether you like it or not, I don't care. You will have to come now, okay? We are in the middle of 2022 now, and the time or the future is videos only, okay? So you have to come out of your comfort zone, start a YouTube channel, right? And the second option is obviously this email marketing, okay? So in email marketing, you will have to grow your email list, and then once you have thousands and thousands of people into your email list, you can send 1 email per day and then you can make money. But it's not easy, okay? Starting a YouTube channel, getting YouTube subscribers, making YouTube videos every day, and then growing your email list, or maybe paying for solo ads, stuff like that, okay? It's not easy. So what I will do is I will give you step-by-step instructions which you can go and check, and then later on you can decide what you actually want to do, okay? But one thing for sure is you do not have to look for any third way to make money online, okay? There are only 2 ways to make money on the internet. First is YouTube, and these people will keep diverting your mind from the actual method. The actual method is come and make YouTube videos. Those people, they only want to divert you from coming on YouTube, and then they will send you somewhere else. They will send you to 5 apps, 10 websites, do this, do that, okay? All of that is nonsense. Because have you realized that those people are themselves coming on YouTube to tell you this? Why, right? Why do they come on YouTube if they have those 5 apps and 10 websites which are making money for them, right? So do not divert your goal, your mind. You think logically here. YouTube is the #1 traffic method, and YouTube, I mean, you agree, you know that a lot of people are making millions and billions on YouTube for sure, right? You know that, right? So let me give you the instructions step by step. If you go below my video right now, below this video, you will find some links there. I will ask you to focus on the first link which says make money with Traffic Jarvis, okay? And you will find many more links here, but let's talk about the first one. And before that, or let's click on that. So here it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie, okay? Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is going to be YouTube, right? So I have shown you or explained to you that how does email marketing works, right? But how will you get those email leads? How will people come and subscribe to your email list, right? So for that, it's a very typical process. You are supposed to go and create a landing page, then you are supposed to connect your autoresponder, like get response, and then you're supposed to buy some paid ads, Google ads, solo ads, Bing ads, Facebook ads, okay? Don't do that. As a newbie, don't do that, okay? If you're not tech savvy and if you do not have $10,000 to invest into paid ads, then don't do that, right? Instead, we have an alternate solution for you here, which you can see right now on the screen. It says, watch this video, how people are getting 100 leads per day, okay? So this email marketing system will give you 100 email leads or 3,000 email leads in 1 month, okay? So what you're supposed to do here is click on this video first, okay? Click on the video, then on the next page, enter your name and the email address, click on send instructions to my email, go back to your email, verify the email, and then that will take you to the video here. Then watch the video, and they're showing you how to send emails every day from the same system, and you will get 3,000 leads every month minimum, which means if you stick with the system, you can get like 6,000 in 2 months, 12,000 in 4 months, 24,000 in 8 months, I guess, or maybe I don't know, right? So you can go ahead and grow your email list using the system if you are interested in email marketing, okay? And second option is, okay, by the way, the proofs here, so they are showing that they have made 15,000 plus, and I have made so far 220 with this system, okay? Because I am doing email marketing part-time, I do YouTube full-time, okay? So this is still a proof to show you that it works, right? Option number 2 is YouTube here, make money with YouTube for people who are passionate. So you will have to watch this Traffic Jarvis video, because Traffic Jarvis is a YouTube training course, okay? This will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks, and then get your YouTube channel monetized within a month, okay? Once your YouTube channel is monetized, you can simply make money by uploading videos like me, okay? How much money can you make? You can see some sample proofs here. So this is the money 3 to 5, 6 I have made just by uploading videos. No selling, no nothing. Just upload these videos on daily basis and make money every day. Simple, okay? And this is the money I have made by promoting some affiliate marketing products, okay? So 986 here and then 800 here, and that's it, right? So you can see here, this is the potential we have to make money with YouTube, and this is the potential we have to make money with email marketing, okay? I will recommend you to do both. If you have time and efforts and you are ready to do everything, then you can go for YouTube to start with, because YouTube is a free traffic source, okay? Free means that it's free if you know how to do things, okay? If you know how to make videos or how to set up your channel and how to monetize it, if you know everything, it's free. If you don't, then you have to go through the training, okay? And this Traffic Jarvis training is exactly for those people who are looking for mastering YouTube and they are here to stay. You are here to make money online for like next 10 years, 20 years, 50 years. I think you need to have a long-term vision, okay? Don't tell me you want to make money online in 1 month or 10 days, then tada bye bye, okay? Here we need only dedicated people, serious people, okay? So Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money rest of your life just by uploading videos, and much more can be done. So go out there, and below this video you'll find all these links, okay? Case tracking is for those people who want to create reviews on their channel just like me, okay? And by the way, this case tracking will be inside Traffic Jarvis. Don't worry, once you get into Traffic Jarvis, case tracking will be already there. And this 120, this is something for experienced marketers, so maybe I will leave it for now. This is for people who know how to sell, okay? So if you have an email list or if you have a YouTube channel, then this is for those people. You can take a look into this if you're an experienced person, okay? So let's do a recap here. The recap is, to make money online, you only need to master one of the two methods or both. Either you do email marketing or you do YouTube, okay? There's no third way to make money online. No 5 apps, no 10 websites, no nothing, okay? Because the logic, the concept here is that all these people have to come on YouTube only to tell you this is how you make money, okay? So technically, they're coming and they're diverting you from the actual goal, okay? Don't let yourself get diverted from these people, these videos, okay? Nobody's telling you that you have to come on YouTube to make money, okay? I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you, YouTube is your first and last hope. YouTube is only your first and last hope. if these people were supposed to make 300 per hour or $5 in 60 seconds, then why the hell they need to come on YouTube and make videos for themselves? Okay, so do not get misled here, do not get confused, don't get yourself whooped. Okay, the only way you're gonna make money is if you take action. Go below my link here and click on this traffic Jarvis, and here you choose to start with either email marketing or YouTube. If you do YouTube, you will be working with me directly. I have the expertise in YouTube. Traffic Jarvis is my own YouTube course. Okay, so you will be learning from me, and if you need some help, you will be contacting me directly. Okay, so I would recommend start with YouTube. Go for Traffic Jarvis. It's all about coming out of your comfort zone. Okay, and I think that's it for this video. I'll keep this short. Maybe it's more than 10 minutes, but hopefully I'll see you inside. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel here, and hit the like button, press the bell notification, and hit the subscribe, and I'll see you inside. Thank you for watching.